Today we will learn about how to improve your English speaking skills. I don't like learning new words, but you know what is like more? Talking like this. Yeah, oi dad day. What happened? No, it was like dad. What? So, to complete my sentence, I started mixing English with Urdu. But imagine speaking such broken English in a meeting or in an interview is such a bad experience. But now I can speak complete sentences in English. My methods are little different, but they have imposed my vocabulary quickly and easily. And I hope they also do the same to you. So today we are going to see 8 different ways to improve my vocabulary. Practicing speaking is one of the most fun and rewarding parts of learning English. Once you can speak even a little English, there are loads of ways to improve your skills quickly while having tons of fun. Here are the 8 top tips for improving your spoken English and having a great time while you do it. So let's begin. So my first tip is speaking. So what we can speak, be confident and speak as often as possible to as many people as you possibly can. Don't be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice better, the more confident you will become in your pronunciation and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill like learning a musical instrument or new sport. The only way you can get good is to actually do it. And the next step is use of technology. Now you are thinking how we can use technology for our better English. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. Use it to record yourself speaking and then listen back to see how your English sounds to other people. Make the most of all your favorite productivity apps to organize your practice then and make a note of all the new words you learn. That's how we use technology for improving our English speaking skills. My third tip is listening. Listening to others or whatever. So how it works? Listen to news bulletins and sings in English to listen to the pronunciation of words. You can also know new words and expressions this way. The more you listen, the more you learn. Trying to copying what is to practice your pronunciation and learn which words in a sentence are stressed. And next tip is read out loud. Read out loud. How we can improve our English by reading loudly? So the answer is react the newspaper or a magazine out to yourself. You could once find a script for your favorite TV show and own it out. This is a great way to practice pronunciation because you only need to concentrate on making sure your English sounds great and don't need to worry about sentence structure or grammar. And my next tip is learn a new word every day. Learn a new word every day. So learning a new word every day, how is it possible to improving your English speaking skills? Choose a word you would like to work and we practice it in different sentences. Use the word until you have learned it and keep using it regularly. And the next tip is have a debate. How debates helps us? So the answer is debate all the topics that interest you with friends in English. Try to use as much vocabulary as you can to get your point across and listen to the other arguments. completely so you can argue against them effectively. And my next tip for improving your English speaking skill is use of dictionary. This is a well-known tip. Using a dictionary is such a helpful for our English speaking skills. Online dictionaries often have audio examples so you can check your pronunciation up. There are lots of great dictionary apps that can take everywhere with you on your smartphone. Have a go to saying that words first, then check afterwards to see if you were right. So start your 14-day trial now and then check how to improve your English speaking skills.